Good morning everyone. We are from Government Degree College, Khairtabad. My name is Santosh from final year. She is Nandini from final year. She is Swati from second year. She is Shravani from second year. Venkata Nagasri from second year. The title of the project is Properties and Applications of Different Types of Lenses. What is lens? A lens is a transmissive optical device that focuses or disperses light beams using refraction. Spherical lenses. A spherical lens has spherical surfaces as bounds. If the thickness of the lens is small compared to the radius of curvature of spherical surfaces, the object distance, the image distance, etc. There are two types of lenses. One is convex lens, another one is concave lens. Convex lens. If a lens thicker at the center than the edges, it is a convex lens. Since parallel rays will be converged to meet at the focus. Concave lens. If a lens thinner at the center than the edges, it is a concave lens. Since rays going through it will be spread out. Formula for the lens: 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, where u is the object distance from the lens, v is image distance from the lens, f is focal length. The topic continued by my friend Nandini.
Lenses. The image formation by converging lens. We have three rules for image formation by converging lens. One is the ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, the ray of light passing through the first foci. Second rule, the ray of light which is passing through an optical center. After refraction, it goes straight without any deviation. Third rule, the ray of light which is passing through a first foci. After refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Here, image formation by converging lens, which is virtual image. The dry line is known as principal axis. F and 2f is known as principal foci. Here, an object placed between the first foci and optical center. The image is formed upright and larger virtual image. This type of lenses is similar to a magnifying lenses. Different lenses. The image formation convex in different lenses. The object placed at the infinity. The image is formed at the optical center and foci. The forming image is real, inverted and extremely diminished. The object placed at the beyond the 2f. The image is formed between the first foci and second foci. The image is forming real, inverted and diminished. The object placed at the 2f. The image is formed at the 2f. The forming image is real, inverted and same as the object size. The object is placed between the 2f and f. The image is placed beyond the 2f. The image is real, inverted and magnified. The object placed at the f. The image is formed at the infinity. The forming image is real, inverted and highly magnified. The object placed between the optical center and foci. The image is formed beside the object, which is virtual, direct and magnified images. The next topic will continue, my friend Shravani.
This is also nothing but a diverging lens. It is used to correct the myopia near circular lens. We have three rules. In the first rule, light is goes parallel towards the principal axis and it will diverge this after the refraction. And it will go, in the second rule, it will go through the optical center, it will go straight without any deviation. And in the case of the third rule, it will light goes towards the foci, it will go parallel towards the principal axis of the refraction. And it has a virtual and a real images formed in the wherever the object is placed. The object is placed between f and foci and taking the light ray towards the head and goes parallel and diverges, and light towards the optical center it will go straight without deviation. We can observe that the image is formed between the optical center and foci f. Always a virtual and a real. In case of the other example, if we place the object behind the 2f, we can observe that the image is formed between the O and f. And formation of the image also real and virtual. Observe that the image formation in the convex lens and the concave lens. In the convex lens, we can observe the image is erect or magnified, and in the concave lens, we can observe the image is real and virtual. Next topic is continued by my friend.
Lenses. In that convex lens, first magnifying glasses. In our study of lenses, we say that if the source was placed within a focal length of a converging lenses, the lens appear a magnified image on the same side of the lens has the source. This is of course the dictator's best friend, the magnifying glasses. The amount of magnification as we know from our treatment of lenses depends on the distance of the source from the lens and the reflective index of the lens of material. Camera. The system of lenses in a camera performs the same functions as the lens of the eye. Camera lenses are essential for photography. Primary lenses have a fixed focal length, good for low light. Zoom lenses offer a variable focal length for veracity. Topic continued by my friend.
Applications of concave lenses. First one is lasers. Lasers are a technology that is used in equipments like CD players, DVD players, scanners. Many other instruments use laser beams. Laser beams are very highly focused and need to ensure the proper working of an instrument. Concave lenses are used for disperse the focus of an laser beams. Small concave lenses are used for this. The second one is flashlight. The use of concave lens in the flashlight is done to magnifying the light coming out of it. The light ray directly passing through the concave lens, then it diverges after passing through the concave lens. The increased radius of the light ray after passing through the concave lens, it makes sure for wider beam. There are several more uses of concave lenses, but we discuss about most important ones. We use our concave lenses in our daily life, like camera lenses, magnifying lenses, and microscope. We use concave lens in our daily life, like lasers, spy-color flashlight. Conclusion: we get real and virtual images from different distances and sizes. Convex lens or converging lens acts as a magnifying glasses. Diverging lens or a concave lens acts as a wide field of glasses. We exploring the properties and applications of the convex lens and concave lenses. References: these are collecting from the books, materials, websites and teacher guidance. Thank you.
We thank our supervisor, principal Dr. B. Rajendra Kumar sir, Commissioner Sri Burra Venkatesham sir, and CC members for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.